8 vitamins to boost your eyesight and clean cataracts. Welcome to our complete guide on how to improve your vision and fight cataracts through the power of essential vitamins. Our eyes are constantly exposed to digital screens, environmental pollutants, and other stressors that can harm our vision. Additionally, age-related issues, such as cataracts, can further compromise the clarity of our vision. However, with the right nutrients and vitamins, we can take proactive steps to maintain optimal eye health and improve our vision. In this video, we will discover the 8 powerful vitamins that can improve your vision and help fight cataracts naturally. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is a fat-soluble vitamin, known for its crucial role in maintaining optimal vision. In the field of eye health, vitamin A is essential for the well-being of the retina. The retina contains specialized cells called photoreceptors, which are responsible for converting light into nerve signals, interpreted by the brain as vision. Retinol, the active form of vitamin A, is vital for the synthesis of rhodopsin, an eye pigment that aids vision in dim light. Vitamin A deficiency can lead to night blindness and, in severe cases, can contribute to more profound visual impairments. He highlights the importance of including foods rich in vitamin A in the diet, such as carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, kale, and liver. In addition to its role in vision, vitamin A also supports the immune system and skin health. Including a variety of these foods in your diet ensures a consistent intake of this essential vitamin, promoting overall well-being. Vitamin C. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is a powerful antioxidant that supports overall eye health. Found abundantly in citrus fruits, strawberries, and peppers, vitamin C helps protect your eyes from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals can contribute to the development of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. By neutralizing these free radicals, vitamin C plays a preventive role against these conditions, promoting clearer vision and a healthier lens. Furthermore, vitamin C helps in the absorption of iron, essential for preventing anemia. Anemia can indirectly affect eye health, causing fatigue and weakness, affecting the ability to concentrate and maintain optimal vision. Vitamin E. Vitamin E comprises a group of fat-soluble compounds, including tocopherols and tocotrienols, famous for their antioxidant properties. The eye, with its high exposure to light and oxygen, is particularly susceptible to oxidative stress. Vitamin E acts as a cellular guardian, protecting eye cells from damage caused by free radicals. The retina is particularly susceptible to oxidative damage due to its high metabolic rate and exposure to light. Vitamin E helps maintain the integrity of the cell membranes of the eyes, preserving visual acuity and preventing deterioration associated with aging. Although vitamin E is beneficial for eye health, it is essential to consume it as part of a well-balanced diet. Relying solely on supplements may not provide the same synergistic effects as obtaining this nutrient from a variety of food sources, such as nuts, seeds, vegetable oils, and leafy greens, which are rich sources of vitamin E. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is well known for its role in bone health, but its link to eye health is also significant. This fat-soluble vitamin is synthesized by the skin in response to sunlight. Foods such as fatty fish, fortified dairy products, and egg yolks are dietary sources of vitamin D. Vitamin D receptors are present in several tissues of the eye, including the retina. Research suggests that adequate levels of vitamin D can reduce inflammation and lower the risk of developing diseases, such as macular degeneration. Maintaining optimal levels of vitamin D is essential for general health, and its positive impact on eye health is an additional reason to ensure adequate intake through sun exposure and dietary sources. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid, and DHA, docosahexaenoic acid, are essential components of cell membranes throughout the body, including the eyes. Fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich sources of these beneficial fats. In the eyes, omega-3s contribute to the structural integrity of cell membranes, supporting healthy retinas, and optimizing visual function. Additionally, omega-3s possess anti-inflammatory properties, which can alleviate symptoms of dry eyes, and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Including omega-3-rich foods in your diet, or taking supplements can be beneficial for those who may not consume enough fish regularly. Zinc. Zinc is a trace mineral that plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of the retina. It is involved in the function of over 300 enzymes in the body, and is found in abundance in oysters, beef, and pumpkin seeds. Zinc is particularly relevant in the prevention of age-related macular degeneration. It helps transport vitamin A from the liver to the retina, where it is needed for the production of melanin, a protective pigment in the eyes. While zinc is an essential nutrient, excessive intake can lead to adverse effects. Incorporating these sources into your diet ensures a steady supply of zinc, supporting the retinal structures, and potentially safeguarding against degenerative eye conditions. Lutein and zeaxanthin. Lutein and zeaxanthin are carotenoids, pigments with powerful antioxidant properties. They are specifically known as macular defenders, because they accumulate in the macula, the central part of the retina responsible for detailed vision. These carotenoids act as natural filters, absorbing harmful high-energy light waves like ultraviolet rays. By reducing oxidative stress in the macula, lutein and zeaxanthin contribute to protecting against age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and other retinal disorders. Leafy green vegetables, such as spinach and kale, as well as eggs and certain fruits, are rich sources of lutein and zeaxanthin. Including these foods in your diet enhances the macular defense system, promoting resilience against the effects of aging on the eyes. Riboflavin, vitamin B2. Riboflavin, also known as vitamin B2, is a water-soluble vitamin that plays a vital role in maintaining healthy eyes. As part of the B vitamin complex, riboflavin supports energy metabolism, aiding in the conversion of food into energy. Riboflavin is essential for eye health, contributing to the maintenance of healthy skin, eyes, and nerve functions. Dairy products, lean meats, and leafy greens are good dietary sources of riboflavin. Including these foods ensures an adequate intake of this visionary support, promoting optimal eye function. These 8 vitamins and nutrients collectively contribute to maintaining healthy eyes, and may help prevent diseases such as cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. However, it is essential to approach eye health holistically by incorporating a diverse range of nutrient-dense foods into your diet, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, and consulting healthcare professionals for personalized advice. Remember that a balanced approach to nutrition and overall well-being is key to supporting long-term eye health. I trust that you enjoyed the content, and click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, enable notifications, and share the video with your friends and family.